two projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project, which is a blockchain-based crowdsourcing loan platform for funding higher education in developing countries. Introduction of the project. The project's primary objective is to establish a blockchain-based crowdfunding platform aimed at financing higher education for students in developing countries. This platform seeks to provide an alternative means of funding for students who may not have access to traditional government-sponsored education support. In many developing countries, government funding for higher education faces challenges, particularly due to the economic instability caused by conflicts and wars. This instability can lead to inflation, making it difficult for governments to allocate sufficient funds for students, thereby limiting their educational opportunities. To address these funding challenges, the project harnesses the power of blockchain technology. Blockchain is a decentralized and a secure digital ledger that records transactions transparently and tamper-proof across a network of interconnected nodes. This technology can offer a robust and reliable solution to financial needs of students in challenging economic environments. Blockchain technology brings several advantages to the project, including decentralization, which eliminates the need for the intermediaries and central authorities. It enhances security by employing cryptographic techniques, ensures transparency by allowing all network participants to view transaction history, guaranteeing data immutability by making recorded information virtually tamper-proof, and provides resilience against network failures, making it a robust system for student financing. There are many types of blockchains such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, Stellar, Ripple, etc. Each has its unique features, governance models, and target use cases. So we are using Ethereum in this project. Ethereum goes beyond just recording transactions. It allows developers to create small computer programs called smart contracts. These smart contracts, without the need for a centralized authority, a legal framework manages tasks like storing and getting evidence data. Ethereum's strengths include its ability to create various decentralized applications, which are dApps, and its active community of developers. Objective of the project. The primary objective of this project is to overcome the financial barriers preventing students in developing nations from accessing higher education, particularly in the context of economic instability triggered by conflicts and wars. By doing so, the project aims to expand educational opportunities for these students. The project seeks to harness the potential of blockchain technology to establish a funding platform that is not only secure but also transparent and highly efficient for supporting higher education. Blockchain serves as the cornerstone of the solution, offering a robust framework for achieving these goals. To facilitate this mission, the project introduces a collaborative ecosystem involving three key stakeholders, which are investigators, brokers, and students, all operating within the blockchain network. This collaborative approach aims at streamlining the process of education funding, making it accessible and equitable. Security and data immutability are paramount in this initiative. All financial transactions are meticulously recorded on the distributed blockchain ledger, employed cryptographic hashing techniques and a network of multiple nodes to ensure that once data is recorded, it remains unalterable and tamper-proof. Smart contracts coded in Solidity play a pivotal role in this project by automating crucial functions like user registration, loan application, and repayments. The deployment of these contracts on the Ethereum blockchain provides an environment rich in smart contract support, decentralized applications, and the Ethereum virtual machine. As an extension of the core objectives, the project also explores data compression techniques to potentially reduce storage cost on the blockchain up to 50%. This initiative aims to optimize the use of blockchain resources while maintaining the integrity and security of the educational funding platform. To implement this project, we need hardware and software requirements. Coming to the hardware requirements, we need processor of i5 and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, and ROM of 25 GB and above. Coming to software requirements, we need Node.js, Python of 3.7.0 version, and Visual Studio Community version. We have designed various modules in the methodology. The first module is New User Sign-up. In this module, new users such as investors, brokers, and students can register on the platform. Users provide their details, select their user type, and create an account. This registration process is the initial step. The next step is user login. Registered users can log into their accounts using their credentials. This module ensures that the users have secure and personalized access to the platform, allowing them to perform specific actions based on their roles. The next module is Investor. In this we have submodules. Investing amount details. Investor define the terms of their loan offers in this module. They specify the maximum amount they are willing to provide and set the interest rates for the loans they offer. These details helps in determining the conditions under which students can access the loans. You received payment details. This module enables investors to view payment details. It allows investors to monitor the repayments that they have received from students who borrowed funds. This feature helps investors to track the performance of their investments. Coming to the next module, which is Broker. Broker play an intermediary role in the platform, connecting students seeking loans with suitable investors. In this we have submodules. Investor selection, contract signing for loan requester. Brokers use this module to evaluate and validate loan requests from students. They also play a crucial role in facilitating the formalization of contracts between investors and students, ensuring that the loan terms and conditions are defined and recorded on the blockchain. View status. Here in this module we can see which investor assigned to the student loan. Coming to the next module, which is Students are individuals seeking financial support for higher education expenses. In this we have submodules. Raise loan request. Students use this module to initiate a request for a loan to fund their higher education. They provide details about the amount required that they intended to use for the loan and the other relevant information. This request is then reviewed by the brokers to match students with suitable investors. Coming to view status. In this we can see the status. The next module is Extension Compressed Storage. This module is an extension of the project and focuses on optimizing the use of blockchain resources. It explores data compression methods to potentially reduce the storage size required on the blockchain, which can lead to cost savings. Blockchain forms the core technology for a secure and transparent platform for higher education funding. Blockchain guarantees the security and immutability of financial transactions, making data tamper-proof. Blockchain enables the use of smart contracts to automate processes like user registration, loan application, and repayments. Brokers utilize blockchain for verifying student credentials and matching them with investors, enhancing trust and efficiency. Smart contracts are deployed on the Ethereum blockchain, benefiting from its support for dApps and the Ethereum virtual machine. Ganache serves as a private and local Ethereum blockchain, creating a well-regulated space for the development and testing of Ethereum-based applications, including smart contracts. In the contrast to the live Ethereum network, Ganache offers significantly faster response times, making it an optimal choice for expediting the development and testing phases. This is particularly advantageous because it circumvents that delays associated with interactions on the mainnet. Within the context of this project, Ganache plays a crucial role in retrieving from the crucial Ethereum, which is local Ethereum blockchain. This data encompasses information regarding students, investors, brokers, and various transactions or engagements within the crowdfunding platform based on blockchain technology. So to execute the project, first we need to open the code folder which contains source code files. This is the code folder of the project. This is the contracts folder. This folder consists of the files related to Solidity code. It handles data structures, functions, and events with modifiers for validation. Here we have static folder, which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap files. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. Here we have templates folder. Within this folder, we will find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. Here we have app.py file. This .py file contains the information related to front-end logic. It includes code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database and generating dynamic content that to be rendered in the HTML templates. To execute the project, first we need to host the server. For that we need to open the Ganache. So I am opening Ganache. The server has been hosted. Now we will get back to the code folder. This is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created this Windows bat file. Now we need to double click on it to start the Flask server. So I am double clicking on it. Flask framework will host the application locally at the default address, which is the local host and the port, unless configured differently. Now we need to copy this local link provided by the framework and paste it in any web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so I'll paste it in that. So here we need to paste the link and then click on enter. We can see the web page of the project, which is displayed in the browser. And this web page is built by using the Flask framework. Here we can see two links, which are user login link and new user sign up here link. So first we will click on new user sign up here link. Here we need to sign up as student, investor and the broker. Here we can see user type as student, broker and investor. So first we will sign up as a student. Here we need to give the username of the student, password of the student, contact number, email ID of the student, location of the student. Here we need to give his college name and nationality is Indian, and in user type we need to select student and then click on submit. So here we can see that sign up process of the student is completed and the records are saved in blockchain. Now we will sign up as the investor. So here we will give the username of the investor, password of the investor, contact number, email ID, location, business is retail, and nationality is Indian, and user type we need to select as investor and click on submit. So here we can see that sign up process of the investor is completed and record is saved in the blockchain. Now we will sign up as the broker. So here we will give the username of the broker, password of the broker name, and here we need to give the contact number, email ID, location, business is broker, and in user type we need to select broker and click on submit. So here we can see that broker sign-up process is completed and records are saved in the blockchain. As all the three users sign-up process is completed successfully, now we will log in as the investor. For that we need to click on user login. Here we need to provide credentials of the investor, which is username and the password. So I am giving username and the password of the investor and select user type as investor and click on login. Investor has logged in successfully. Here we can see various links, which are investing amount details, view received payment details and logout. So first we need to click on investing amount details to add investment amount details to the blockchain. So here we need to give the maximum investment amount that investor can invest. So I am giving 1 lakh. Here we need to provide the rate of interest. And now we need to click on submit. So here we can see that investment details has been added to the blockchain successfully, and broker will allot suitable student for this investor. And now we will log out and log in as a student for applying the loan. So we need to click on user login. Here we need to provide credentials of the student. So I am giving his username and the password. And in user type, we need to select as student and click on login. So here we can see that student has logged in successfully. Here we can see various links which are raise loan request, view status, extension compress storage and logout. So now we will click on raise loan request. Here we need to enter all these details. So here I am giving study level as MS. Guarantor details here we will give as XYZ. And here the amount requested is 75,000 and the repayment time is 4 years. And now we will click on submit. So here we can see that students' loan details are added to the blockchain and broker will allot suitable investor to this particular student. Now we will click on view status link. Here we can see all the loan details of this particular student. Here we can see that approval is pending. So this loan will be approved by the broker. For that we need to log out and log in as a broker. So I'm logging out. Here we need to click on user login. Here we need to provide credentials of the broker. So I'm giving the username and the password of the broker. And in user type we need to select as broker and click on login. Broker has logged in successfully. So here we can see various links which are investor selection, contract signing for loan request are, view status and logout. So first we need to click on investor selection and contract sign in to view all requests from students and assign to the investor. So here broker can view loan request and now we need to click here to assign loan to the investor. So here I'm clicking on click here to assign for the student Ravi. So here we can see that loan requester Ravi is assigned to the investor ABC. So now we need to click on view status link to view loan status. So I'm clicking on view status. So here we can see that for the student Ravi, ABC investor has been assigned. Now we will log out and log in as student to view the status of his loan. For that we need to click on user login. And here we need to provide credentials of the student. And in user type we need to select student and click on login. Now we need to click on view status to view his loan status. So here we can see the request of his loans and here we can see that his investor who has assigned loan to him. And now we need to click on click here to make the payment. So I'm clicking on click here link. Here we need to provide the payment amount. So I'm giving 5,000 as a payment amount and click on submit. So here we can see that payment is successfully done. Again we'll click on view status to check whether payment is done or not. So here we can see that he has returned the amount of 5,000, which means he has recently made 5,000 payment. So now we need to click on extension compress storage. So here we can see that on the x-axis it represents normal and extension compress technique and on y-axis it represents storage size. If we use a normal technique, storage will be more and charges will also be more. By applying compression technique, storage and cost can be reduced. Now we will log out. So in this way student can apply for his loan, investor can invest his amount and broker can allot investor to the student for the loan. So here in the Ganache we can see that information of the investor, student and the broker has been stored in the block. Here we can see the transactions, and if we come back to the blocks, If you open this particular block number 32, here we have hash code for this block number 32. Now we will open it. Here we have the transaction data of this block. Here we have sender address and to contract address. Here we have the gas used, gas price and gas limit. Conclusion of the project. The project takes on the challenge of expanding access to higher education in developing countries through a blockchain-based crowdfunding loan platform offering students a means to secure the necessary funds for their education. Utilizing blockchain technology ensures that the funding process is efficient and transparent, benefiting not only students but also investors and brokers who participate in the platform. The adoption of blockchain technology guarantees the security and immutability of all financial transactions, building trust and reliability in the educational funding ecosystem, enhancing its appeal. Leveraging the Ethereum blockchain streamlines vital functions such as user registration, loan applications and repayments, harnessing Ethereum's powerful features including smart contracts and decentralized applications through the Ethereum virtual machine. The project's exploration of data compression techniques offers the potential to significantly reduce storage costs on the blockchain, a move that enhances cost effectiveness and sustainability for the platform. Through this project, investors, brokers, and students collaborate within the blockchain ecosystem, creating a dynamic platform that expands educational opportunities while fostering financial growth of all participants.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.